Hey, it's Brady Theodore, the Gotti from Bloomington, Indiana, and I have one question for you. Have you lost your happiness, the happiness in your life, the happiness that comes from feeling positive about life, the happiness of contentment that life is just as it should be, perfect happiness, the enlightenment that comes when you have all your needs satisfied? Do you constantly have those feelings of stress, fear, anger, disgust? Would your life be better if you had positive emotions such as calm, joy, excitement, and pleasure? I am sure that it would. Listen, I lost my happiness quite a while ago, and I never thought I could get it back. Then I researched what makes us feel happy. What I found was that hormones such as cortisol, estrogen, serotonin, and dopamine, all naturally produced in our bodies, are what makes us happy or sad. When these hormone levels are out of balance, we're just not happy. What I also found was an all natural happy drink balances my hormones and has given my happy back to my life. And it's keto friendly. Now, instead of me constantly dieting and exercising to keep those hormones in check, I just take my happy drink and instantly feel positive energy and happiness throughout my body and in my life. By clicking the link in this post, you will learn everything you need to know about balancing your hormones one drink at a time and bringing the happy back into your life. So go ahead, click that link.